I am a survivor of a head on car crash caused by an impaired driver, and I have lifelong injuries, and I wanted to tell my story. I reached out to Glenn at Texas Pictures. I had saw some of his content on the fentanyl and did see a couple impaired driving videos as well. And I thought it's time that I share my story as well. I have a desire to turn what I've gone through into purpose to help me live a more fulfilled life. It was, I think, 3 minutes down the road after I left his house, getting ready to get on the highway when an impaired driver crashed into me head on. And after that, I don't remember anything until I woke up in the hospital in the ICU.
And so how did that process go? Was it an easy process?
Oh, super easy. Actually, I went to his YouTube page, Texas Pictures, and I saw all the information on the stories, the summits, storytelling summits, and I thought, well, geez, this is something I would like to put together and use this as a home base because I have several friends that have been impacted by different stories, and I want to be able to share that, turn their stories into life.
So what kind of things did you have to do to make it happen?
I picked a location, which I have a connection with my church, and got permission to shoot here for a couple of days. Um, and then I provided some snacks, refreshments. I had, once my friends knew what I was doing, they wanted to pitch in. Somebody made, gourmet brownies. Somebody made some flower arrangements from her garden. Um, and I've gotten contact with some people that I've known, hadn't talked to a while, and they were happy to pitch in. And this is day one of shooting, and we've also, already had a great experience with one of the storytellers sharing her story of her brother, how he died from fentanyl. She was happy to participate, kind of keep the story alive and keep her brother's memory alive. So
What other topics do you expect to come through here?
we do have a few impaired driving topics, storytellers with that. I believe tomorrow we'll have another fentanyl topic. So yeah, we just really have a variety of topics that could be shared over the course of the 2 days.
It was just that easy.
Is that easy? Yeah. It was all spelled out on the website, how to put together a summit, what to expect, what to wear. I mean, it couldn't have been simpler. It was a how to step by step.